How are we getting on, people? Luke here from LAGFX. We're back today with a new Sunday Sessions video. If you are new to this series, it's basically where we cover a few pairs that we feel hold good potential for the coming week, and we break down some of the analysis we have performed to give you guys a better idea on how we are looking at tackling that market. And in doing this, this allows you guys to potentially profit alongside us if you go ahead and place the same positions, or if you use our analysis to further back your current bias. So there's 3 or 4 pairs I'm going to run through in today's video. If you have any questions or queries with regards to the analysis that I go through today, please leave them in the comments below. And if you do go on to enjoy this video, please leave the video a thumbs up. All the support you guys provide is very much appreciated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start with the euro to the US dollar. This is a market that has been trading us in a bearish way for some time. If we just zoom out and we look further back on this daily time frame, you can see how price has distributed or is looking at distributing, and this is after giving us clear bearish signals. So you can see here, if we really zoom out on this market, we got our path tool, we have the introduction of clear bearish structure. Now I was looking for price to trade up and into this area. This is a daily supply zone that price could potentially trade up and into before a continuation in a bearish way. This giving us the laws of bearish structure, and that's following the current direction of this market. However, what we're seeing at the moment is price is actually distributing, and it looks as though price is actually starting to break down. The reason why I say that is because we are starting to see price actually respect these areas of supply and price start to move lower. We are creating lower lows, which means there is weakness in demand and there's strength in supply. So I would like to see a continuation in this. However, as we zoom in and we look more at current data, so looking at the last 10, 14 days, you can see that price is starting to slow, setting a level of demand here. There's obviously liquidity stopping price from breaking through. So I'm assuming that we may see price trade up to create a new lower high before continuing to trade us lower, which isn't an issue. This just gives us the opportunity to get involved in this market in short positions at a better price. When it comes to setting those short positions, we would place our stop loss just above the zone that we get involved from, and then our take profit could be set at the higher time frame swing low, which would be this one here. This would give us a lengthy risk to reward ratio and a brilliant trade that we could take home some amazing profits from. So stop loss no larger than 30 pips, take profit of around 385. As you can see, that gives us a risk reward ratio of 1 to 12. Risking 1%, you're looking at 12% returns. Brilliant opportunity to get involved in this market. Just ensure that you are following your strategy and that you are waiting for the right confirmation in order to enter into this market. As I say, I'll be waiting for price to trade up into this area of supply, distribute fractally, giving us a break of structure to the downside to confirm that the correction trading us higher has finished, and then obviously we can look to take this market lower. But that's my analysis for the euro to the US dollar market. Okay, now moving over to the Great British Pound to the US dollar. Bit of a different scenario with this one. So you can see here how price has been trading us higher for some time. However, we have seen that price has broken structure to the downside. So this tells me that this structure here, which I would consider the 4-hour structure, setting these fractal lows within this 1-day corrective wave, should I say, has broken structure to the downside. So that tells me that price may be looking to trade us lower now. Ultimately, what I'm wanting to see is for price to trade into an area of interest, which it has done here. We'll just drag this back, and has then traded us lower. I would love to see price obviously continue to trade us lower. However, it doesn't seem as though price is quite ready. So I have gone ahead and marked out this as an area of interest that price may want to trade up and into to clear any remaining buy orders before the market trades lower. So therefore, we could look to take part in long positions in this market, trade price up and into that area of supply before ultimately taking this market lower. So if we did buy into this market on Friday just gone, we would be in profit already, and we could be well on our way to walk away with a potential 1 to 9 trade here. As I say, once price trades up, we want to see a fractal distribution to the downside. We want to see a fractal distribution and a move to the downside, and we can obviously look to take part in those short opportunities. But this is the Great British Pound to the US dollar market. I am looking for temporary longs, but I will be looking to go short longer term in this market, just with us having multiple signs of bearishness with those higher time frame breaks and structural breaks in the protected lows of this market. So that's my analysis for the GU. Quickly heading over to the gold market. As you guys know, this is a market I love to trade. We've had some brilliant trading opportunities within this market as of recently. I didn't take part in this short here. Probably not a bad thing, just with price continuing to correct itself. Price has, however, traded us up and into this, not quite touching this area of supply. So I'm presuming that it's actually filled just the fair value gap, which it has done. And what we are seeing now is price trading us lower. In order for us to get involved in this market, we want to see price trade into an area of interest. We don't want to just be jumping in now because we've seen a large move to the downside. We want to make sure that our areas are specific and that our entry confirmation is there with every position that we place. We need to ensure that we are always sticking to our trading strategy, and that's what I will be doing. So I want to see price trade up into one of two of these areas, give us a fractal distribution, and then we can look to take part. If, however, price absorbs these two areas, then this would be my second or my third target price that I want to see price trade up and into. Again, we want to see price trade up, give us a fractal break of structure to the downside. That confirms the corrective wave has finished. The new impulsive wave is ready to take place. We'd simply wait for price to correct itself into a fractal area of supply. Give us the same confirmation again, a break of structure to the downside, which would be more fractal from the previous one. And then we'd look to take part in this market. I have the three-step approach with my trades. And that's what I'd be waiting for. Now, the short positions that I would be placing wouldn't be there for very long. I just want to see price trade us down into the 224 area where I want to buy in. That's my next buy target. This whole area of demand here, I want to buy in at that point. We've got a lot of sell orders here that need to be closed. This is institutional control. We want to see this area of selling pressure to be cleared, because what will happen is sell orders will be offloaded in the market. Any sell orders that encourage price to trade us down will be offloaded from the market. So that's a lot of supply being removed, and then what will happen is a lot of demand will be introduced at this area. So that gives us that sharp S&D flip to the upside. So we could expect, or we can expect, should I say, a big move up from this area here. Be interesting to see how price plays, but this is a key area for me that I would love to see price trade higher from. We just want to obviously take part in some short positions beforehand to take full advantage of this market, as we have done in previous weeks, looking at these positions here and these ones here as well. But yeah, that's my analysis for the Sunday sessions video. Very quick and very brief. I just wanted to run through some key areas of interest, give you guys some zones and areas that you can mark out for yourself. My overall direction of the market, I suppose that's all that really matters. If you guys want more in-depth analysis, head over to the Learning Lounge group chat. Get yourself involved in the VIP chat, as that's where I post all my in-depth analysis with written context, screenshots, and private videos. And if you're interested in any of our other services, then just drop me a message on Telegram or head over to our website. All the links will be left in the description. Now, there is some big things coming with LAGFX. We are going to completely shake this industry, and I'm very excited for that. So stay tuned for what's to come. I've got loads of new videos coming out in the coming weeks. I've just got to get them recorded. I've been extremely busy with some other projects, as I say, that are going to shake the industry as a whole. But there's some good videos coming about the broker that we work with, some of the things that we are doing and planning. So make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys get involved, because we don't want to take off without you, and we want you guys to get on board before it's too late. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you've learned a thing or two, as always, please leave some feedback and leave it a thumbs up. And if you are unsure about anything that I've gone through today, any terminology that I've used, anything within my strategy that you may be unsure about, leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But But yeah, I just want to wish you all a profitable week in the Forex markets, and I'll catch you all in the next Sunday Sessions video.